10 Tips to Become a Master Programmer. The do's and don'ts to becoming proficient in the world of development. Keep your sanity, save time, and thank yourself later for looking over these tips. There are hundreds of programming languages out there, not including frameworks, libraries, and other additions that can drastically change how a single language feels. It can be pretty overwhelming, especially to newer developers looking to find where they fit into the world of programming. How do I decide what language to learn? Where do I go to actually even learn it? How much should I have memorized before I can find a job? Junior developers, somewhere, all the time. While those are all valid questions, they are often stressed about more than they need to be. Here are some do's and don'ts related to some of the most asked questions by those learning programming. Getting started. Do. Pick something that interests you, or is often used in the specific field you want to get into. Don't. Spend more time figuring out what language to start with. Once you have some core understanding of programming, it is often quite easy to transition between certain languages. Do. Look at examples of potential projects you can build up to doing. Don't. Compare your own proficiency to others. Everyone starts off as a beginner. Do. Focus on learning the fundamentals, they are more important than trying to memorize every last piece of code. Most jobs would rather have someone with a good foundation, and is willing to learn the rest, over someone who may have mastered a language, but won't touch anything else, when facing a tough problem. Get up, stretch, or even come back to it the next day. It won't go away, but your sanity might. Do. Ask if you have questions that you couldn't find the answer to. There are many communities out there who love to help others